Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to reset a Rogers Xfinity TV box, full system refresh and cache clear. Resolve TV box errors by initiating a system refresh via the A button, restarting through device settings or power cycling the unit by unplugging it for 30 seconds. These methods directly address frozen screens or error codes. Method 1. System refresh via the help menu. Press the A button on your Rogers Xfinity voice remote to open the help menu. Now use the arrow keys to scroll right and select System Refresh. Then select Refresh Now to confirm the action. Do not unplug or turn off your Rogers Xfinity set-top box during this process. This refresh can take up to 10 minutes. Method 2. Soft reset through device settings. Press the Rogers or Shaw button on your voice remote. Navigate to the gear icon to open the settings menu. Now select device settings, then choose power preferences. And highlight restart and select it. Then select restart once more to confirm. The Xfinity welcome screen will appear as the device reboots. Method 3. Manual power cycle hard cache clear. Unplug the power cord directly from the back of the Rogers Xfinity box or the wall outlet. Now leave the device completely unplugged for at least 30 seconds to ensure the temporary cache memory clears completely. Then plug the power cord back into the outlet. Allow a few minutes for the box to reload its system's information and establish a stable connection. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.